everyone, thank you for clicking onto this video. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to show you guys two things. I wanted to show you one, how I clean my chicken and prep it for cooking, because I can't tell you how many times I have bought chicken from the grocery store, and when you do smell it, because it's a habit that I have, it smells rancid, especially with the following day. So I decided that I'm no longer going to do that. I'm just going to, clean my meat at home and cook it, which is the better thing to do anyway. And the second thing I'm going to show you guys is how to make your own homemade seasonings that will be good for seasoning your meat and also good for cooking, flavoring your food. But before I get into the cleaning of this meat, I use flour and I use vinegar. And once you clean your meat properly, it tastes so much better when you season it and let it sit for a little bit. I can't tell you how much better, 100 times better, your meat tastes once you clean it properly. Let's get into the video. In this bowl is 10 pieces of chicken thighs. The first thing you want to do is you want to go through every piece of meat and remove all of this right here, which is the fat. I'm going to go ahead and remove. Here's the chicken fat that I could have gotten off of the chicken. Is my chicken in this bowl. So now what you're going to do is you are going to put some flour into this. This is about half a cup of flour. I'm putting this much because of the amount of meat that I'm seasoning right now. Then you're going to make sure that all of the chicken is covered in flour, right? Make sure that all of it gets flour on it. This is what you're gonna do. And then you're going to add water, and you're just gonna let it sit in this water here for about, I want to say 10 to 15 minutes. The time is now 12:06, so I'll come back and rinse it out. The time is now 12:26, so 20 minutes later, I'm just gonna wash out the chicken. Now you want to take some vinegar, right? And you want to pour that into the chicken. You can use vinegar, or you can use lemons or limes for this part, and then you let it sit for an additional 10, 15, 20 minutes. Now it is time to wash the chicken. Now you're going to take a piece of paper towel and you are going to dry your chicken. Because by this time it's clean. It's very clean. You can smell the vinegar on it and everything. Just like that, your chicken is nice and cleaned and ready for seasoning. You can do this process for cleaning any other type of meat except for fish. When you're cleaning fish, it's totally different. You don't use flour. You use lemons or limes to clean fish. Fish must be clean. I cannot stress that enough. Cleaning your meat is so important. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. And let me know if you did try out this process and how it came out. Alright y'all, so this is a continuation of the video where I cleaned the chicken, and I also told you guys that I wanted to show you how I make a seasoning blend for cooking purposes and also for like baking chicken, seasoning meats and all that kind of stuff. Here I have parsley and some fresh green onions that I picked up from our scallions or shallot, we call it in Guyana. Then I have 2 onions here. I have garlic. I have ginger root. I have some salt, iodized, and virgin olive oil over there. I also have some Mari pepper. If you are going to be doing this, you can use any pepper of your choice except for sweet pepper, because sweet peppers. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to peel and wash all of your seasonings. Alright, I picked these up from the grocery store this morning, and I'm still gonna wash it, and I'm gonna peel my onion. The second thing I'm going to do after washing it is to cut it up, and I'm gonna put it in a bowl. This is cilantro, 16 cloves of garlic. Right. I'm gonna put everything into the blender now. Alright, that's not all. I'm gonna blend this first set, and then as it goes down, I'll add more to it. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of water. So the seasoning is all done blending. This is what it looks like. Nice and green and unsa. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it and you learned something. God bless you all. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified of whenever I do upload any content to this channel. Stay safe, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye, people. Go make some seasoning.